beloved child of mine. On this day, I extend to you a message of extraordinary significance. In a vitality that transcends imagination, I remain intimately connected to you, surpassing any notion of vigor the human form may exhibit. Despite the inevitable impact of gravity and the relentless march of time on the physical body, fret not, for true fulfillment and a rich life are discovered in welcoming the abiding presence of the divine. Type 1111 to affirm. My child, let not the fragility of your mortal form consume your thoughts. Instead, envision it as the commencement of something majestic, the infusion of boundless energy into your soul. Through alignment with the divine, a profound unity is forged. As time advances, your inner self fortifies, and those in communion with the divine radiate a timeless youth unmarred by the passage of years. Type yes. Affirm with unwavering faith, I am fortified by the eternal presence of the divine. While the outer shell ages, the inner self is rejuvenated daily by the divine energy that breathes new life into your being. God's love is unwavering, compassion eternal, and with each dawn, fresh mercies are bestowed upon you. Type 2222. God discerns the profound yearnings in your heart and comprehends the challenges you confront. Amidst seemingly interminable trials, God is your constant guide, steering you with care and love. The narrative of difficulties may seem unending, yet God is ever present, ready to lead you through each new day. Type God, I love you unconditionally. Embrace this truth, transforming the delineation between a relentless struggle and succumbing to despair. Trust in God, especially when life's tribulations intensify. Profess, every morning divine mercy is a new gift to my heart. As you prepare for each new day, know that God has draped you in garments of salvation and a mantle of righteousness. Divine mercy stands as your great rescue, lifting you from the shadows and placing you on the path of glory. Confront adversity today with the assurance that God walks beside you, illuminating your path with the authentic light of life. In the embrace of God's light, unravel the profound mysteries of existence, merging your soul with the divine, crafting a life imbued with purpose and meaning. In the presence of God, I transcend the constraints of time and age. In this sacred encounter, eternity intertwines with your existence, and you embody an eternal spirit and resilient strength. Embrace the presence of God today, and destiny will unfold before you. If these words resonate with your heart, express your gratitude with a like. Share this message as a bridge conveying God's wisdom to souls in need. And don't forget to subscribe for more enlightened content. In the days to come, the world may test your faith, but I stand as a secure harbor amid any storm. At your core, the flame of belief burns bright, fueled by my unwavering presence. Together, we shall overcome doubts that seek to obscure your path. Your heart will brim with unshakable confidence in the divine plan for your life. Under the radiance of my love, fear dissipates and hope blossoms like a dazzling spring flower. Affirm with faith, my path is illuminated by divine truth. My essence infuses meaning into your days, encouraging you to live each moment with boundless passion. Walking by my side, you'll taste the fullness of life, as if savoring the sweet nectar of existence. Challenges are mere ripples in the vast sea of my love. I am always with you, now and forever, a guiding light and a protective shield in your darkest moments. Demonstrate your faith by typing 777. As we traverse time, let not its passage sadden you. It merely facilitates your encounter with eternity. Embrace each day as a gift, with my divine essence coursing through your veins with every breath. Inhale the essence of the divine, nurturing a profound purpose and celestial connection within you. Donat us $100. Do not let earthly concerns overwhelm. I am here to bear your burdens. Allow me to carry your loads, and you shall soar on the wings of hope. Your faith empowers me to face every challenge with unwavering courage. I thrive under divine support. As you aspire for eternal life, remember that I am the source of all existence and the bestower of divine gifts. Your heart beats to the rhythm of my love, every step guided by my eternal wisdom. Accept the truth. I am your sustenance and provider, offering all you need to thrive. Dwell in the refuge of my love, where grace is boundless and my love for you knows no bounds. Just as the sun rises each morning, my compassion renews, enveloping you in gentle waves of comfort. Express your gratitude by typing 1111. Human limitations need not restrain you, for in my presence, you will ascend to unimaginable heights. Your spirit will flourish, breaking free from the shackles of mortality and embracing the vastness of eternity. In the heart of eternity, seek refuge in my unwavering embrace when life's challenges weigh upon you. Believe in my divine plan, woven with love and purpose. You no longer walk alone. I am always by your side, a beacon shining through the darkness. Affirm with faith. The presence of God is my constant companion. Take a moment, my child. If this message resonates with your essence, show your support with a glowing like. Share this message to spread the energy of love and faith bestowed upon us. Subscribe to be guided by more inspiring messages. As the world turns, rest assured of my unwavering love for you. Draw near and find strength to navigate storms with dignity and determination. In the tranquility of my being, time bends to eternal power, and mortal obstacles become steps toward the divine. Know that each new day is a blessing, and I am always with you, lovingly and faithfully. Declare, in God, I find sources of hope, joy, and inexhaustible love. In your essence, discover the root of all positive expectation, the cause of true contentment, and the origin of limitless love. Celebrate, for you are deeply valuable, and in my presence, you will find an eternal home. I am the guardian of your peace, offering security and comfort. When fears arise, do not succumb to human worries or strategies. Trust in my guidance. It brings the protection your wisdom seeks. True wisdom stems from trusting more in me than in yourself or anyone else. Comment: with God, my journey is sustained by divine wisdom and protection. When confusion clouds your mind, speak to me in prayer, seeking clarity. Rest in my presence and allow me to illuminate your thoughts. By centering your attention on me, whisper Jesus, finding security and peace in my name, a tower of strength. Confront challenging circumstances with the certainty of my closeness and the intense love I have for you. Rejoice in my constancy, for I am the same yesterday, today, and forever. Find joy in the understanding that I am near. Just as passionate lovers bring out the best in each other, my presence can soothe irritations and uplift your spirit. I am your invisible companion, always close with tenderness. To embrace this reality, practice gratitude for my continuous presence and unchanging love. When overwhelmed, turn your gaze to me and meditate on the immense love I have for you. Declare, my heart opens to receive the light of the Lord. Allow divine love to permeate your entire being, embracing both wounds and secrets. Divine light aims to heal and dispel hidden fears, freeing you from unseen burdens. Spend solitary moments with God, letting His deep and perfect love transform you. If you resonate with this message, spread the light by giving it a like, sharing the video, and making a positive impact in someone's day. God declares, my child's sacred protection is a comfort, especially in difficult times. It is not a reward for divine love. True security arises from reciprocal love, a response to what He has done for us. Those who love God find strength even in danger and chaos, seeking refuge as a reflection of trust and memories of childhood protection. Comment with conviction. My faith in God is the foundation that sustains my life. In times of uncertainty, seeking comfort in something or someone more powerful is natural. God presents himself as a caring shepherd, always watching over his flock. Though feelings of isolation may surface, the cure lies in recognizing the constant presence of the Lord through sincere dialogue. Affirm with faith, I am constantly under the loving gaze of God. Forged by love, our purpose derives from both loving and being loved. Self-acceptance is crucial, as harsh self-judgment can lead to dissatisfaction. Divine desire urges us to love ourselves in a balanced manner without selfishness, fostering a healthy love that prevents voids and challenges in personal relationships. Comment: the unconditional love of God defines and guides me. Reflect on a story where counseling helped a woman learn to love herself, realizing that God made the ultimate sacrifice for humanity. Encourage everyone to embark on this path with faith, affirming, I love and accept myself with God's love. Acknowledge with conviction, I accept God's unfailing love and live under his grace. God's love is not earned, but accepted by faith. It is unshakable, and mistakes do not diminish its tireless nature. Love is a divine constancy, regardless of our pursuit. If touched by this message, express your love by clicking like, sharing it, and subscribing for more inspiration. Contemplate God's message, allowing it to strengthen and bring you closer to him. Share this love with the world and your loved ones, for God molds us through received love and transforms us through love extended to others. Declare, I live in the symphony of God's love, which exceeds all understanding. If moved by this message, spread the love by clicking like, sharing with friends and family, and subscribing for more moments of inspiration. Different types of love exist, but imagine a love that is unconditional, not dependent on qualities or circumstances. The love of God. It transcends faults and imperfections, seeing potential rather than the past. God's love remains constant even in adversity, promising better days. Comment with certainty. My potential in the eyes of God is greater than the shadows of my past. While human love may be uncertain, divine love is unwavering. God's love, as a heavenly Father, offers eternal love that never forsakes. In darkness, he is the healing light by our side. Affirm with conviction, I am constantly under the loving gaze of God. Despite facing adversities, God's presence encourages and promises better days. Recognize the constant presence of the Lord through sincere dialogue, trusting in his love. Express with confidence, my voice has value, and my life reflects the love of God. Carry these words with you. If they touched your heart, share, comment, and subscribe for more moments of inspiration. Let this message strengthen you and bring you closer to God. Then share this love with the world. May God's love guide and transform you, creating a melody of love that echoes in the heavens. A sincere sound of two hearts valuing each other. Living fully involves loving abundantly and without limits. It becomes a glimpse of the eternal. Declare, I live in the symphony of God's love, which exceeds all understanding. If this message resonated with you, show a little love by clicking like, sharing it, and subscribing for more moments of inspiration. Carry the essence of this powerful message with you, share it, leave a comment with your reflections, and subscribe for more inspirational content. Consider this message a movement of love and light, spreading positivity to the world. Now let's explore together the impact of these powerful words. If they touched your heart, share the love, leave a comment with your reflections, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspirational moments.